Thought that you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. I do what I want. Are you ready now?
In today's video, I'll be showcasing a 12,001 bedroom.
Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out.
Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to Youth Stories. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Yvonne Angeline and enjoy the video.
Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out.
So when you enter the house, your kitchen is at the front.
Whenever you see me, don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel. Break the signs every time. Let's be real, be real, be real.
Then you have your bedroom on your right. So this is the bedroom of this house.
I do what I want.
You've been provided with a wardrobe.
I do what I want.
Simple but smart wardrobe.
I do what I want. I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now.
Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy. You're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get.
So there is a balcony just behind your bedroom that is connected through the kitchen area.
I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide. Your love's a little heavy. You're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget.
So here is your living room.
Because I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. So run! Sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl. Puppeteer your love for strings, but it's not love at all.
With just one window to provide lighting inside your house.
The one who's driving, but I can't find the brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake.
And next, let's have a look at your washroom.
You should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that you're in love with a ghost. Do you know where secrets go? 'Cause I've forgotten mine. They've slipped out of my control, and you know where they hide.
So it's a combined washroom.
Your love's a little heavy. You're touching me already, and it's working up my nerves. You should probably forget me, 'cause I'm terrified you'll get me when I'm at my worst. It's not too late to let you know that you're in.
And you have your sink just outside your
I
washroom.
could whisper sweeter things, and back to me you'd crawl.
So that's the exit door, the front door.
But it's not love at all. My ego's still providing. I'm not the one who's driving, but I can't find the
And you have a mirror on top of your sink.
brakes. Yeah, girl, there's no denying that even though I'm trying, I'm your next mistake. I'm falling in deep. You should take me at my word. It's not too late to let you know that
So this is how your kitchen looks like, and it's connected to the balcony. And this is your beautiful balcony. So you can hang your clothes here, or you can decide to hang your clothes on the rooftop. So the house is going for 12,000 Kenyan shillings. It's located in Kangundo Road. Exact location being Saika, so there is enough security in that in every floor you've been provided with a CCTV camera. And here is your beautiful rooftop, so you can just come up here to chill. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscription button. Bye bye. See you in the next video. And